All right, what's up everybody? It's Meredith Circus Svelte Training and I have an awesome full body toning workout for you, and this is for beginners. You can also do this if you're intermediate or advanced, but this is specifically for those of you that have not worked out for a long time and are looking to get back in shape. I don't want this to be intimidating. I want you to try and move your body, because the hardest thing to do is get started and be consistent. So this is something you can do and something you can be consistent with. So let's go ahead and walk you through everything really perfectly so you know your form, you're not intimidated, and then let's get into the workout together. All right, here we go. So we're gonna walk you through all these exercises. Obviously, you hear a little bit of a wind buffer. We're outside in beautiful Florida. I know a lot of people ask where I am. I am in Florida, unfortunately not in Hawaii, but I am in Florida. We've got palm trees, we've got wind, we got all this stuff going on. So, and we're outside, so you might hear some random noises. I'm not in a studio, obviously. Like, that would be an amazing green screen, but it is not. So let's get rolling on your beginner body toning workout. First exercise is a squat punch. So many of you have trouble squatting. So this is what I want you to do, is a half squat, okay? And then you're gonna come across and extend. Half squat and extend. So if you don't have trouble squatting, you can come all the way down and up, all the way down and up. This is gonna help you get your heart rate up. It's gonna help you tone your body, okay? Next, we're gonna be doing a squat stick up. Same thing, half squat or full squat. So hands down, right, as you come down. So come down, hands come down, reach it up. Down, reach it up. Down, reach it up. So a little bit wider with your legs here. If you need to go half squat, just down and up, down and up. So as you stand up, your arms come up, close your rib cage together. Really important as a beginner, you start to get the feeling of pulling that rib cage in, because that's what's gonna help you tighten your core without actually having to add any more exercise. Then we're doing a straight leg toe touch. So I am famous for having super tight hamstrings. So I'm not gonna be having an actual straight leg, but I'm coming across here, okay, touching my toe. If you need to hold on to something, you can go one at a time. So if I'm holding on to something here, you can go one at a time this way, okay? Then we're gonna be doing a windmill, okay? So chest up, shoulders back, you're coming down this way, standing straight up, touching. And if you can't go down that far, touch your knee, touch your shin, touch your leg, wherever you can go. But I want that dynamic movement of down and up. After you do that, take a minute, because that blood is gonna be rushing. So you wanna just take a second here. Then we're gonna be doing a reverse side lunge. So how this works, you can go chest up, shoulders back, and you're just slightly step to the side and back. Not a lot of movement, so it's not a full lunge, but just toning. When I switch sides, you're toning this outside piece of your butt here and your core at the same time, and it's gonna get your cardio just popping. Then we're doing a bicep isometric hold and then a tricep isometric hold. So really important with isometrics, all it means is that you're in a flex position, holding that and doing nothing else. So everything's nice and tight. Biceps, you wanna feel like you're pulling up a countertop, and you can even do this underneath a countertop. If you don't feel like you can do this enough by yourself, by flexing, you can push up on a countertop. Okay, that's really gonna help you, just flexing everything, keeping everything nice and tight in your core. Same with the tricep, just pressing back as hard as you possibly can. Palms to the sky, flexing back in the tricep. So that is your beginner body toning workout. Remember, you don't need any equipment. You don't have to be intimidated. We're gonna go through all this together and you're absolutely gonna love it. And I'm really proud of you for even just playing this video and getting started with us. All right, here we go. So we're going our body toning workout together. Remember, we've got wind, we've got elements, but you're here, there are no excuses. Let's get into this 30 seconds of squat punch. Ready? And down. Remember, you can go half, okay? So we're gonna go 30 seconds here, just pressing through. Go half punch. Really just sitting into that butt, sitting into the heels. Remember, from the side, just a little bit here, press and press and press. Remember, you can go all the way down, but you wanna keep yourself really tight, pressing through the heels at all times. Don't have to rush through it. You wanna rotate, get that core. Rotate, get the core. 3, 2, 1, big breath. Squat stick up. Take your time here though. Don't wanna rush you through this. Chest up, shoulders back. Remember, when you're up, your arms are up. When you're down, your arms are down, okay? So squatting and pulling, standing. Pull, stand. Pull, stand. Big breath. Pull, stand. Pull that rib cage together with me. Down and down. And remember, never hold your breath, okay? I don't want you to see you hold your breath. Sweating is okay. Breathing is okay. Get your cardio up a little bit more. You can start singing. It's gonna help you with your breath control. Last one, standing up, straight leg toe touch. Take a big breath in, shake out your legs. Going 30 seconds here. Remember, you can hold on to something and go each side. So at 15 seconds, I'll say switch. I'm gonna go alternating, but I'll switch you at 15 seconds if you're holding on to something. So 30 seconds here, and I'll switch you at the 15, touching and crunching. So if you started on one side, should be coming up on that 15 seconds here. Good, go ahead and switch sides if you're switching sides. If not, stay with me. Touching, good. Going right into the windmill after. 3, 2, 1, and windmill. So get your footing, a little bit of water, take a deep breath, the hands out. Remember, you're reaching for that toe for 30 seconds. If you need to reach for your knee, totally fine too. But notice how I press my hips back. Pressing my hips back, feet are a little bit wider than shoulder width. Pressing back and standing, nice and tall. Good work here. Good work, good job. Doing those reverse toe touches here in a second. Sorry, reverse lunge. Not trying to throw anything else in there for you, sorry. 3, 2, and stand nice and tall. Take a big breath. We're going 15 seconds each side here. So go ahead, plant that left leg. We're going 15 seconds. 3, 2, and step back. Step and back. You definitely can hold on to something here. Remember, you're toning that quad and the outside of your butt. Good. Remember, this is only 15 seconds, and then we're switching. 2, 1, right away. So this is gonna burn. That's okay. Burning is okay. Point that foot straight. Step, step. Hold on to something if you need to. I want you to get a lot of work in that butt because we're transitioning to arms here. And done. Bicep hold, ready. Big breath. 3, 2, 1, hold. Doing 30 seconds. Now, you can hold on to that countertop if you need to. I like to make a fist, and I like to feel like I'm just pulling up or holding up 1,000 pounds. You gotta think about like your superhuman strength. If you have kids, if you have grandkids, anything like that, feel like you're holding them up. You're holding them up off one arm. You wanna do your best to keep them nice and tight. Good, 3, 2, 1, and right away, I'm gonna challenge you, press straight back. Chest up, shoulders back, keep the core nice and tight. If you wanna go a little bit more advanced, watch me here, crisscross, okay? And if you wanna just try it, highly recommend it, and then just sit solid there, nice and tight. Don't forget about your heels, plant those in, keep the core tight, hold it. Big breath into the nose, out through the mouth. 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Full body beginner toning workout. That's awesome. If you guys are feeling good, you're feeling amped up, go through another round of this, or go ahead and check out all the other amazing videos that we have on this channel. Hit some up from Coach Grace. You got some great butt workouts. We've got yoga workouts. Don't be intimidated. Share this with your friends. Make sure you're just being consistent and starting on another workout right now.